I'm the captain now.
Mm.
Man, you're gonna get killed with that character. You don't know how to finesse that character.
I know more than you. Whoa! Whoa! I'm dead. Oh my god! Oh my! Ah! Ah! Get away from me! No! No! Please! Please! Please!
Yo.
Okay, okay, that's your fault.
Oh.
Find you!
Oh. Oh. Oh, I nut every time they explode.
That's crazy. Crazy. You've nutted a lot. I'm concerned.
Mine.
Hello? Hola la, ¿cómo lo está?
My clone will you up.
You got me. Caught that blacking. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Bro, why you headshot that man?
I
You
need
probably had a
it.
whole family. You probably had a whole family.
Man, his family.
Daughter about to be in college. It's just an extra job on the weekends. You shot that nigga right in the mouth.
You claim to be a gangster, but I your wife.
Man, and she anyway.
Oh, I'm telling.
Not Mar. I'm talking about the hypothetical. I think I might be dead. I pressed my luck, I might be dead.
Come over here. Those are elites.
I might be dead. I pressed my luck. I pressed my luck, I might be dead. I pressed my luck. I might be dead. I pressed my luck. I'm not dead. I must press my luck once again. Set that bitch on fire. Them niggas. I said them niggas. They gonna stay unhappy. When I get out that pod, I'm gonna beat the brakes off. Yep. They beat the brakes off me.
Bro, what is that? They can't get me up here, can they?
I don't think so. Not once they start hopping on each other, they started hopping on each other.
Oh! Ah! Man, what the f y'all doing here? Oh, that's you. Oh,
Oh my gosh. Oh, you're crazy. Oh.
shit.
Without begging you. Without begging you, Gino. Don't let Marshall bury a lawyer.